Amazon, one of the largest and most influential technology companies in the world, relies on Python as a cornerstone of its operations. From powering its e-commerce platform to driving its cloud computing services and advanced AI systems, Python plays a vital role in Amazon's massive infrastructure. But why does Amazon, with its scale and complexity, choose Python as one of its core programming languages? Let's explore the reasons behind Amazon's use of Python, how it fits into the company's ecosystem, and what this means for developers and aspiring programmers. Amazon operates at an enormous scale, serving millions of customers every day through its retail platform, cloud services, and various digital products. To manage this complexity, the company relies on a mix of programming languages, each chosen for its strengths. Python is a key part of this mix, and it's used extensively across Amazon's operations for tasks ranging from automating processes to developing cutting-edge AI models. Python's versatility, ease of use, and vast ecosystem of libraries make it an excellent fit for Amazon's diverse technical needs. Let's dive deeper into the specific reasons why Python is a go-to language for Amazon. Number 1. Simplicity and developer productivity. Amazon places a strong emphasis on speed and efficiency in its development processes. Python's simple and readable syntax makes it easy for developers to write and maintain code quickly. Unlike languages that require verbose syntax or complex structures, Python allows Amazon's engineers to focus on solving problems rather than wrestling with code. For example, when building new features for Amazon.com or creating internal tools, Python enables rapid prototyping. Developers can write functional code in less time, test it thoroughly, and iterate quickly. This agility is crucial for a company like Amazon, where staying ahead of the competition requires constant innovation and adaptation. Number 2. Automation and scripting. One of the most common applications of Python at Amazon is automation. Given the scale of Amazon's operations, ranging from warehouse logistics to customer service to software deployment, automation is essential for optimizing workflows and reducing human error. Python is an ideal language for writing scripts that automate repetitive tasks and integrate with various systems. Here are a few examples of automation tasks powered by Python at Amazon: managing inventory and tracking logistics in warehouses, analyzing customer data to improve the user experience, automating the deployment of software updates, and monitoring system performance. Python's extensive library ecosystem includes tools like Selenium for browser automation, Bodo 3 for interacting with Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Pandas for data analysis, making it a powerful choice for automating complex processes. Number 3. Powering Amazon Web Services, AWS. AWS is a cornerstone of Amazon's business, providing cloud computing services to millions of customers worldwide. Python is deeply integrated into AWS, both as a tool for internal operations and as a language supported by AWS for its customers. Python for AWS customers. AWS offers a Python software development kit, SDK, called Bodo 3, which allows developers to interact with AWS services programmatically. With Bodo 3, users can launch and manage EC2 instances, upload and retrieve files from S3 storage, configure and monitor cloud resources like databases, load balancers, and virtual networks. Python's compatibility with AWS makes it a preferred language for businesses and developers building cloud-native applications. Its simplicity allows users to leverage AWS's powerful features without a steep learning curve. Python for AWS internally. Within AWS itself, Python is used to develop and manage many of the services that power the platform. For example, Python is used for automating infrastructure management, ensuring that AWS's servers and resources operate efficiently. Machine learning services like Amazon SageMaker, which helps developers build and train AI models, have Python at their core. AWS's reliance on Python underscores its importance in both cloud computing and the broader tech industry. Number 4. Data analysis and insights. Amazon collects and processes massive amounts of data every day, from customer purchase behavior to supply chain logistics to website performance metrics. Python is a critical tool for analyzing this data and turning it into actionable insights. Libraries for data analysis, Python's powerful data-focused libraries, such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, are widely used within Amazon for tracking customer trends and preferences to optimize product recommendations, analyzing supply chain data to ensure timely delivery and cost efficiency, generating reports and dashboards to help managers make data-driven decisions. Python's ability to handle large data sets efficiently makes it an invaluable asset for Amazon's data scientists and analysts. Machine learning applications, Python also plays a major role in Amazon's use of machine learning to analyze data and predict outcomes. For instance, Amazon Personalize, a machine learning service for building recommendation engines, is built on Python. AI models trained with Python are used to optimize pricing strategies, forecast demand, and detect fraudulent activity. With its intuitive syntax and robust libraries like TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and PyTorch, Python enables Amazon to stay at the forefront of data science and machine learning. Number 5. Artificial Intelligence and Alexa. Python is a key language in the development of Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant. Alexa uses natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to understand user commands, respond intelligently, and continuously improve. Why Python for AI and NLP? Python is the language of choice for many AI and NLP applications because of its extensive libraries and frameworks. Some tools used in Alexa's development include NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, for natural language processing tasks, Spacey, for building advanced NLP models, TensorFlow and PyTorch, for training and deploying machine learning models. Alexa's ability to process speech, answer questions, and even control smart devices is powered by Python-based algorithms that analyze vast amounts of data and improve over time. Number 6. Flexibility and integration. Amazon operates a diverse ecosystem of systems and applications, many of which need to work together seamlessly. Python's flexibility and ability to integrate with other languages and platforms make it a valuable tool for bridging gaps between different parts of Amazon's infrastructure. For example, Python scripts can interact with APIs written in other languages, such as Java or C++. Python tools are used to manage and monitor distributed systems, ensuring consistent performance across Amazon's global network. This interoperability makes Python a go-to language for solving problems that involve multiple technologies. Number 7. Supporting developers and innovation. Amazon actively supports Python developers through tools, resources, and services. By investing in Python, Amazon encourages innovation both within the company and among its customers. Developer resources. Amazon offers extensive documentation and tutorials for using Python with AWS. Tools like Boto 3, Lambda, and SageMaker have made Python a first-class citizen in Amazon's ecosystem, empowering developers to create powerful solutions with minimal effort. Open source contributions. Amazon has contributed to the Python community by supporting open source projects and releasing tools that benefit developers worldwide. For instance, AWS Lambda Power Tools for Python simplifies the development of serverless applications. Amazon's engineers frequently contribute to Python libraries and frameworks, ensuring their continued improvement. This commitment to Python demonstrates Amazon's belief in the language's potential to drive innovation. Why Python is a great choice for aspiring developers. If you're learning Python and wondering whether it's worth the effort, Amazon's extensive use of the language is proof of its value. Python's role at Amazon highlights its versatility, power, and ability to handle complex tasks at scale. For developers, Python opens the door to exciting opportunities in fields like cloud computing, data science, AI, and automation. Whether you dream of working at Amazon or using AWS to build your own applications, Python is a skill that will serve you well. So, why does Amazon use Python? The answer lies in its simplicity, versatility, and ability to power a wide range of applications. From automating processes and analyzing data to driving AI innovations and supporting AWS, Python is an essential part of Amazon's success. Its presence in Amazon's ecosystem is a testament to the language's relevance and importance in today's tech landscape. For aspiring programmers, learning Python isn't just a smart choice. It's an investment in a future filled with opportunities. Whether you're looking to join a company like Amazon or build your own projects, Python gives you the tools to create, innovate, and succeed. So, start coding, keep learning, and let Python take you wherever your ambitions lead.